Clara, what do we do to your face? Actually spin. The fan. Tell us what you think.
It's a good pack, well supported.
10,000 feet of elevation. Plenty of air. Caused that to leak. Stomach acid now on my back.
She's gonna bite my butt!
Oh, they have all the water. So me and Clara are super excited we get to come on this hiking trip. Normally Austin takes the other kids and comes up because they like to go camping and hiking, and me and Clara stay home because we haven't had a good system to bring Clara with. So now that we have Clara's carrier, we are going to give it a try, and hopefully this is not our last hiking trip. Ready to have a fun day, Clara?
She's eating that up.
What I want you to do. Are you ready to go?
Let's do it.
Okay.
So this is why you put a mic on Clara.
Right, that sounds good.
Clara's liking it.
How many miles till we're there?
Go to Beco.
Oh, it did?
Which lake are we going to?
Marjorie. Zoe go. We lose
2
Zoe.
miles! 2
How long?
miles!
Is it fun? Yes, you are. Yeah, you're ready.
Happy birthday to Mom. 49. 20th anniversary of her 29th birthday.
That's right. And don't forget it.
She likes to lay down on me.
And she likes to feel the bouncy.
She will be warm on my back. It's like having a heater on my back. So I switched hats because my wide-brimmed hat was hitting Clara, and it was probably annoying for both of us. We're in Holden's fun hat. One thing I'm noticing right off the bat is Clara will tend to put her arm on my shoulder. When she puts her arm right here, it makes it feel like this part of the shoulder is falling down. And so my knee-jerk reaction is to pull it back up. Just a thing. We went hooded. It was pretty extreme, huh, Clara?
Zoe, what's the trail like up there?
Huh?
What's the trail like up there?
Rocky.
You missed my glorious fall.
You didn't fall.
I almost fell.
Gracefully flying.
Yes, that.
We're here with Zoe, me and Clara. We're about halfway now.
Yeah, because we're at a Y, and so we don't want to go. There's a sign, but
Come up to Y, you always wait for the rest of your party so they
Yep.
don't get lost.
there is a sign, but just in case you always
Even
want
if
to
you
wait.
know the way, still wait.
Yep.
And we're just up here testing out this new backpack. It's
Is it comfy on you?
kind of comfortable, yeah. I'm used to carrying like 20 pounds and she's like 50, but it's a good workout. And
Yeah.
on this hike, there's a lot of hills.
But it's not bad. And we've done 1.5 miles, and the total hike is 2 miles, so we're almost there.
Clara, so she has what's called a G-tube that we feed her with. It can tend to leak. It's right on her, right above her belly button, goes straight into her stomach. the pressure of her being on my back caused that to leak. And so now I have, as gross as it sounds, stomach acid now on my back, on my shirt, and so is Clara. 10,000 feet of elevation, plenty of air. Top of this little pass, we're up at 10,100 feet. Baldy back there behind us, going down into the, it's what we call Long Lake Loop. Goes out to Brown Duck, Island Lake, Long Lake, but we're going to be dropping down to Marjorie Lake. What's unique about Marjorie Lake is Arctic Grayling. Really pretty fish. There's brook trout, Arctic Grayling. First impressions so far, Patti?
It's beautiful up here, but I'm hot and I'm tired. So, well, let's keep going. If I stop, I won't want to keep going.
The lake with Arctic Grayling?
Yep.
Sweet. That's what I thought.
What's an Arctic Grayling?
It has a big dorsal fin.
The Arctic Grayling come from Alaska, and they can only survive very clear, very clean, high elevation lakes. So we're up here at 10,000 feet, river-fed lakes. They're not stagnant at all. So this is one of the few places you can get Arctic Grayling, specifically Marjorie Lake. Fish Lake in the Uintas comes off of the Weaver drainage north of here. What's cool about Fish Lake, so there's Fish Lake and Sand Lake, and Marjorie Lake has Arctic Grayling, but they're not as big. They're very fun to catch. But Fish Lake is a lot bigger lake. It's like 4 times the size of Marjorie, and they get a lot bigger. Wrong bird. this fin. The fin. Bye, Zoe.
Wait! Dad! Dad! Dad, come get me! I'm drifting away!
Yep.
The fish is gonna bite my butt! I'm going that way! Can you come get me? Please? Should have brought a paddle. It's so cold! The fish gonna bite my butt! Yeah, no, get me out of here! Get me out of here!
Fish are highly attracted to farts.
I came out here because I needed to pee.
Oh, well, you can pee then.
Can I?
If you dare.
Well, fish bite my butt. Oh, it's so cold on my feet. Can I pee? Can I can't even feel that my butt's in the water anymore. I'm used to it. Dad, that flies right by my head.
Yeah.
Is it a horsefly?
I don't know.
Check.
I can't see it.
Buzzing.
Oh, it's on your back.
Is it? Is it a horsefly?
No.
I know it's a horsefly. Dad, I know it's a horsefly.
There's a fly on your back.
Is it a horsefly?
No.
My feet are cold.
I wonder why.
I'm not leaving. That was a horsefly.
That was a dragonfly.
Big.
Yeah. Force flies aren't that big.
You said they're big.
They are, but not that big. That's a dragonfly.
Holden, come back! You're getting too far! You're gonna get caught by his fishing pole.
Dragons are bigger than horses.
No, they're not. How do you know? You've never seen a dragon. How do you know that?
I've seen one on a movie.
Okay, but you've never seen a dragon, so what if they're...
Well, if I've never seen a horse.
You have! I've seen a horse with you!
She pulled it past the part that says stop on the pole.
I was just pulling.
We're now leaving Marjorie Lake. We're gonna head home, and Patty's deciding what we want to do for dinner. We do have tri-tip at home that we can have, or whatever. My daughters, I hear my name. But no, heading out. Tell us what you think.
It's a good pack, well supported. It's more than what I'm used to doing. I'm used to carrying 20 pounds and she's about 50 pounds. So, and I can feel it a lot on my shoulders, but it has good cushion on it.
Could it use more cushion or less cushion, or about the same, about good?
It's just putting a lot of weight down. It's just not staying high, like on my hips. I have to fix it.
So there's not load. The load doesn't transfer to the hips
No.
very well at all.
No.
It's more of like a sling that you're carrying it. The weight
Yeah,
on
more
the,
of a sling. It's a lot better than the baby carrier. I'll say that.
Cool.
Yeah.
Well, we'll figure it out. Clara, what did we do to your face? Huh? Huh? Say, we tried to take on a branch. I was looking down like this, and a branch came, hit here, and Clara decided to help me not take the brunt of it. She said, I'm gonna take some. Huh? Yep. Oh yeah, that's looking really good, huh? So Mom, Clara and I, in our great judgment, gave the keys to the kids to run ahead for a good mile.
Oh, they have all the water.
Yep.
They have an empty bottle.
We have an empty bottle. And now we're in the heat, out here in the sun. Clara, look, what's behind us? Yep. Last thoughts, Mom?
I'm tired, but I'm glad we did it.
What do you think, Clara? It's pretty... Lots of fun, huh? Okay.